Certainly, here are introductions to 20 of the best places to visit in November, along with descriptions of the nature, nightlife, and fun activities you can enjoy in each destination. Kyoto, Japan. 1. Introduction. Kyoto, a city known for its rich history and culture, is a delightful November destination. 1. You'll be captivated by the stunning fall foliage. 2. Nature. Nature enthusiasts can revel in the beauty of colorful maple and ginkgo trees adorning temples, gardens, and parks. 3. Nightlife. Kyoto offers traditional tea ceremonies and serene evening strolls through the historic Gion district. 4. Fun. Explore ancient temples, take part in kimono dressing, and indulge in the city's delicious cuisine. Patagonia, Argentina/Chile. 1. Introduction. November is an ideal time to explore the pristine wilderness of Patagonia, where nature reigns supreme. 1. This region is famous for its dramatic landscapes. 2. Nature. Immerse yourself in the beauty of towering mountains, glaciers, crystal-clear lakes, and vast wilderness. 3. Nightlife. Embrace the tranquility of the remote Patagonian locations, making it perfect for stargazing. 4. Fun. Go trekking in Torres del Paine, hike on glaciers, and enjoy breathtaking vistas. New York City, USA. 1. Introduction. The iconic New York City takes on a special charm in November as the holiday season begins. 1. There's something for everyone in the city that never sleeps. 2. Nature. Discover pockets of nature amidst the urban bustle in Central Park, the High Line, and along the Hudson River. 3. Nightlife. New York City's vibrant nightlife scene features an array of bars, clubs, theaters, and entertainment. 4. Fun. Explore renowned landmarks, attend Broadway shows, and visit world-class museums. Rajasthan, India. 1. Introduction. Rajasthan, the land of vibrant colors and rich heritage, beckons in November with pleasant weather. 2. Nature. Marvel at the diverse natural beauty, from the arid Thar Desert to the lush Aravalli Hills. 3. Nightlife. While not known for its nightlife, you can enjoy traditional Rajasthani folk music and dance performances. 4. Fun. Explore opulent palaces, ancient forts, and bustling local markets. Queenstown, New Zealand. 1. Introduction. Nestled among the breathtaking Southern Alps and Lake Wakatipu, Queenstown offers an adventurer's paradise in November. 2. Nature. Enjoy the stunning alpine landscapes, pristine lakes, and lush surroundings. 3. Nightlife. Queenstown boasts a vibrant nightlife scene with a range of bars, restaurants, and live music venues. 4. Fun. Try thrilling activities like bungee jumping, skydiving, or take a scenic cruise on the lake. 4. Explore nearby Fiordland National Park. Barcelona, Spain. 1. Introduction. Barcelona is a city that seamlessly blends urban charm with coastal beauty. 1. November offers a pleasant time to visit. 2. Nature. Soak in the Mediterranean coastline, visit beautiful beaches, and explore nearby mountains. 3. Nightlife. Barcelona's nightlife is vibrant, with a multitude of bars, clubs, and beachside curanguitos. 4. Fun. Discover the architectural wonders of Antoni Gaudí, relax on the beach, and explore the vibrant neighborhoods. The Maldives. 1. Introduction. The Maldives, a tropical paradise, welcomes visitors in November with its clear skies, warm waters, and stunning natural beauty. 2. Nature, experience the beauty of coral atolls, white sandy beaches, and abundant marine life in the Maldives. 3. Nightlife, resorts offer evening entertainment, beachfront dining, and live music, but it's a destination focused on relaxation more than nightlife. 4. Fun, snorkel or dive in vibrant coral reefs, enjoy water sports, and unwind in luxurious overwater bungalows. Namibia. 1. Introduction, Namibia's diverse landscapes, from surreal deserts to wildlife-rich plains, make it a captivating November destination. 2. Nature, explore the towering sand dunes of the Namib Desert and observe unique wildlife in Etosha National Park. 3. Nightlife, nightlife in Namibia is generally low-key, allowing for peaceful evenings under starlit skies in the desert. 4. Fun, go on safaris, explore the haunting Diatley, and engage in desert adventures. New Orleans, USA. 1. Introduction, New Orleans is a city alive with a vibrant culture, music, and history. 1. November is an excellent time to explore its unique atmosphere. 2. Nature, embrace the influence of the Mississippi River, swamps, and bayous on the city's character. 3. Nightlife, revel in the lively nightlife with jazz music, Bourbon Street bars, and French Quarter entertainment. 4. Fun, savor Creole and Cajun cuisine, explore historic French Quarter streets, and take a cruise on the Mississippi River. Patagonia, Chile/Argentina. 1. Introduction, Patagonia's untouched beauty comes alive in November as spring blooms across the region. 2. Nature, discover rugged mountains, glaciers, pristine lakes, and vast expanses of wilderness. 3. Nightlife, the remoteness of Patagonia lends itself to peaceful evenings with stargazing opportunities. 4. Fun, enjoy hiking, trekking, kayaking, and wildlife observation in one of the world's most unspoiled natural environments. Amsterdam, Netherlands. 1. Introduction, Amsterdam, the Venice of the North, is a picturesque city with a rich cultural heritage. 1. November offers a serene visit with fewer tourists. 2. Nature, explore the picturesque canals, parks, and the Keukenhof Gardens, known for its vibrant tulip displays. 3. Nightlife, experience the vibrant nightlife with canalside bars, nightclubs, and live music venues. 4. Fun, visit world-class museums like the Rijksmuseum and Van Gogh Museum, cycle along the canals, and explore historic neighborhoods. Vietnam. 1. Introduction, Vietnam is a country of stunning natural beauty, rich history, and vibrant culture, offering a captivating November getaway. 2. Nature, explore diverse landscapes, from the UNESCO-listed Halong Bay's limestone karsts to the lush Mekong Delta. 3. Nightlife, enjoy the vibrant nightlife in cities like Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City with bustling markets and cultural performances. 4. Fun, savor delicious street food, explore ancient temples, and take boat cruises to experience the local way of life. Cuba. 1. Introduction, Cuba, a land of vibrant music, historic architecture, and picturesque landscapes, is an enticing destination in November. 2. Nature, discover lush countryside, beautiful beaches, and vibrant cities with a unique blend of Spanish and Caribbean culture. 3. Nightlife, dance to live music in Havana's historic streets, experience the lively music scene, and savor tropical cocktails. 4. Fun, explore the historic charm of Old Havana, Take a ride in classic American cars, and indulge in the flavors of Cuban cuisine. Santorini, Greece. 1. Introduction. Santorini, a picture-perfect Greek island, is a dreamy November destination with its stunning sunsets and iconic blue-domed churches. 2. Nature. Admire the pristine beaches, breathtaking sunsets, and the quintessential whitewashed architecture. 3. Nightlife. Experience vibrant nightlife in the towns of Fira and Io with bars, clubs, and beautiful seafront views. 4. Fun. Visit ancient ruins, relax on volcanic beaches, and indulge in Greek cuisine and local wines. Bora Bora, French Polynesia. 1. Introduction. Bora Bora is a tropical paradise known for its overwater bungalows, crystal-clear lagoons, and lush vegetation, perfect for a November escape. 2. Nature. Immerse yourself in the beauty of the South Pacific with clear lagoons, white sandy beaches, and lush palm trees. 3. Nightlife. Enjoy beachside dining, Polynesian cultural shows, and tranquil evenings on this idyllic island. 4. Fun. Snorkel in coral gardens, swim with gentle sharks and rays, and relax in luxury resorts with stunning overwater bungalows. Siem Reap, Cambodia. 1. Introduction. Siem Reap is the gateway to the iconic Angkor Wat Temple complex and lush November surroundings. 2. Nature. Explore the awe-inspiring temples, mysterious ruins, and lush jungles of Angkor Archaeological Park. 3. Nightlife. Siem Reap offers a vibrant nightlife with bars, cultural performances, and bustling night markets. 4. Fun. Visit the ancient temples at sunrise, savor Cambodian cuisine, and take boat trips on Tonle Sap Lake. Tuscany, Italy. 1. Introduction. Tuscany, Italy's picturesque region, is a delightful November destination with rolling vineyard landscapes and charming hilltop towns. 2. Nature. Savor the stunning countryside with vineyards, olive groves, and historic villages dotting the landscape. 3. Nightlife. Enjoy Italian wine and fine dining at local trattorias while taking in the relaxed Tuscan atmosphere. 4. Fun. Explore charming villages like San Gimignano and Montepulciano, visit wineries, and indulge in culinary tours. Marrakesh, Morocco. 1. Introduction. Marrakesh, a city of vibrant colors, bustling markets, and stunning palaces, is a captivating November destination. 2. Nature. Discover exotic gardens, the Atlas Mountains, and the nearby Sahara Desert with its unique landscapes. 3. Nightlife. Explore vibrant markets, sip mint tea in traditional riads, and enjoy live music in the bustling Medina. 4. Fun. Visit historic palaces like the Bahia Palace and the Saadian Tombs, explore souks for local crafts, and savor Moroccan cuisine. Cairo, Egypt. 1. Introduction. Cairo, the heart of Egypt, boasts a rich history, the mighty Nile River, and iconic ancient sites, making it a captivating November destination. 2. Nature. Explore the pyramids of Giza, the Nile River, and the ancient temples along its banks. 3. Nightlife. Experience the lively nightlife in Cairo with clubs, bars, and traditional entertainment. 4. Fun. Visit iconic historical sites like the pyramids and the Sphinx, explore world-class museums like the Egyptian Museum, and savor Egyptian cuisine. Machu Picchu, Peru. 1. Introduction. Machu Picchu, one of the world's most iconic archaeological sites, beckons visitors in November with its mystic beauty. 2. Nature. Discover the awe-inspiring Inca ruins amidst the stunning landscapes of the Andes Mountains. 3. Nightlife. Enjoy quiet evenings in nearby towns like Aguas Calientes, offering peaceful relaxation after exploring the ruins. 4. Fun. Hike the Inca Trail to reach Machu Picchu, explore the ruins at sunrise, and soak in the breathtaking vistas of this ancient wonder. These 20 destinations offer a diverse range of natural beauty, nightlife experiences, and fun activities to make your November travels truly memorable.